We're about to install this. I've got a garbage disposal, but I want a remote switch for it. So this is fantastic. What you're gonna do is drill a hole, and you're gonna put this right into your sink wherever you want the button. All right, now it comes in stainless steel or black. We'll show you both of those before the end of the video. Then underneath, and we'll show you as well, you just plug in your garbage disposal right to this 110 outlet, 110 to 130, and then you plug this into the wall, and this is going to supplement to where you have a switch right in your sink, and you can put this right next to your garbage disposal. So the fact that this is going to speed up your life, make it more convenient, and give your house an upgrade, and that is pretty impressive. Now for this demonstration, I'm not going to drill a hole into my countertop, but I'm going to give you an idea of what this will look like and how easy it is to set up. It's pretty much plugging in 2 wires. So folks, the first step is relatively simple. First, you're just going to unplug your garbage disposal, or it'll be unplugged, and you're going to plug it in to the device itself. Just that easy. Now, all we need to do is plug this into the outlet and, for all intents and purposes, run this. Take the wire out again. Run this into our countertop. So let's go ahead and we're gonna plug this in. I'm gonna show you how it works. All right, folks, so you're just gonna mount this into your countertop, and yeah, let's check it out. Ready? Very nice. So a straightforward device that's going to make your everyday living so much easier. You can stand at your countertop. Sometimes they got a switch far away. Sometimes they don't have a switch at all. This is going to make it easy to control your garbage disposal right at your countertop, and that makes it a really nice innovation. All you do is drill 1 hole, put this in, screw it down. It's got the rubber gasket included, so you don't need anything else. All right, folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. We're showing you off our favorite products, and I think this one is a big time winner. So go check it out. You're not going to be disappointed. Now stick around for our up close portion of the video. Oh yeah. All right, folks, now it's time for our up close portion of the video. You can see we have these 2 switches. One's actually going to be in silver, one's going to be in black, and they're really fantastic. So we're going to focus on this one first and foremost so you can get a look at it. It says garbage disposal air switch kit, safe and secure, easy to install, excellent compatibility, and it has a special durable aluminum alloy material. It can work with any brand of garbage disposal. No tools are required for installation. Yeah, so that's straightforward. It says built to build beauty of life with heart. With heart, folks. All right, so this is max power for the garbage disposal is 2 horsepower. Aluminum alloy, PVC, 15 amps, so it's powerful, and 110 to 130 volts, so your standard US voltage. Is there anything else to show you here? It says this company is a unique brand with a strong identity and a history of innovation and excellence. That's pretty cool. A research for constant innovation to provide customers the best service and high-level design products. Yep, and it's available on the Amazon. Yeah, that's nice, right? Let's go ahead and open it up. You can see tightly packed in here, secure materials. Here's your material. You have a rubber gasket. You're just going to put it right into your sink, your countertop, if you will. Attach the air tube between the push button and the power module and plug it in. Oh, is it really that easy? Can't be that easy, can it? I guess it is. So, yeah, really fantastic and secure stuff here, folks. Really looking forward to this. Looking forward to checking it out. And you can see this is going to be an easy install. An easy peasy lemon squeezy install, of course. Here's your tubing. Let's see. 2 screws. Only 2 screws to install it. That's easy. Cleesync. I hope I said that right. To build beauty of life with heart. Okay, typical installation. Just run it from your disposal to your power. Just plug the disposal in here, plug this into the power line. That's going to be way easier than it should be, right? Seems way too easy. And yeah, these guys have thought of it all. So, little gasket guy here. Boop, boop, boop. Gonna plug that in, I would assume. I'll check the instructions later, make sure I've got all the seals tightened and everything. Looks like there's gonna be a little something over here. This is unscrew, but yeah. Now folks, you're gonna read the instructions yourself. You can see I didn't really read through the instructions in great detail before doing this, but it does look somewhat intuitive on how to make this work, right? Yeah, really fun stuff there. All right, folks, looks like that's just gonna feed right through. Oh, there it is. Oop, there it is, I thought you knew. Plugs right in. And yeah, just that easy to install. All right, folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. We're showing off the best of the best. Your disposal is gonna plug in there. And then you're going to plug the grounded wire into your outlet. And this will turn it on and off. Now, just for common sense, I gotta show you the other one so you can compare what the black looks like, right? All right. So you can see the black. Either one of these are fantastic, but to show you the black button versus the silver, pick the one that's best for you. Boop, boop. I like the silver, of course. They're both good. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. All right, folks. Obviously, you're gonna put this into your counter before you connect the bottom wire there. That seems obvious, but you get the idea. It's gonna be really intuitive design, and that makes me happy. I think it's gonna make you happy. So go pick it up, you won't be disappointed. You know I love and appreciate you, and if your question is, should you pick it up? The answer is heck yes. Goodbye, my friends.